Hello children, today we are going to start with chapter 12, that is Delhi, the National Capital Territory. As you all know, Delhi is the capital of our country, right? So here I will tell you about its location, its important buildings that are located over here. So you have to write any 4 sentences about Delhi. After completing the chapter, it's your homework you will do at your home, right? So let's see the location. As you know that Delhi, it shares what? It shares boundaries of the state of Haryana and Uttar Pradesh. There is an old Delhi and New Delhi. Both adjoin each other and Delhi is the capital of India. And where you will find it? On the map, you would find it in the North India. So it has been the capital city of many kings. It has been destroyed and has been built by many times. And ये बहुत बार destroy हो गई लेकिन बार बार इसको क्या करा जा रहा है बनाया जा रहा है. Now we have national capital Delhi, as you all know. It is a NCT, that is National Capital Delhi. And where does it lie? And the river Yamuna flows through the Delhi. River Yamuna यहीं से flow करती है आपकी. As you know that India Gate also lies in our Delhi. Next, it is the capital of India and all the government of जितने भी government offices सब आपके कहाँ situated है? दिल्ली में situated है. The president of India, prime minister और जितने भी central ministers जो होता है हमारे होते हैं वो सब कहाँ रहते हैं? दिल्ली में ही रहते हैं. And there is extremely beautiful garden over there in the Rashtrapati Bhavan, which is known as Mughal Garden, and they are open for the public just once a year. Public के लिए खाली साल में एक बार open होता है for few days, and this is the month of spring. And we find people from all the states living in Delhi. They celebrate different festivals, and the main one is Diwali, Dussehra, Christmas, Eid, Holi, Guru Parv, and 3 national festivals. What are the 3 national festivals? Independence Day, Republic Day, and Gandhi Jayanti. The grand parade is held on the Republic Day. The dress is popular to Delhi, like shirts and trousers for the men and saris and salwar suit for the women. Trousers and shirts are also popular among the girls and women. The Central Secretariat, जो हमारा Central Secretariat है वो कहाँ lie करता है? It is located close to राष्ट्रपति भवन और जो ऑफिस है प्राइम मिनिस्टर का वो कहाँ है? आपका Central Secretariat में है. Delhi is very big business center and the major business houses are situated in and around the Rajiv Chowk, that is Connaught Palace, and we have Chandni Chowk area also. Sadar Bazaar, which is very big business center. We have Lajpat Nagar Market, which is one of the biggest market in Asia for electronic goods. Delhi has the most modern buildings over here, roads, flyovers, and stadium where international events are held almost every year. जो क्लाइमेट है वो दिल्ली का वो वेरी करता ऑल ईयर राउंड. इट इज वेरी हॉट इन समर एंड कोल्ड इन विंटर एंड इट ऑल्सो रिसीव हैवी रेन. एंड व्हेन इज द रेन? ड्यूरिंग द मॉनसून. न्यू दिल्ली एंड दिल्ली दे आर द डिफरेंट. आप न्यू दिल्ली और दिल्ली को सेम प्लेस नहीं मान सकते, क्या है, अलग अलग है. वी हैव पालम एंड इंदिरा गांधी इंटरनेशनल एयरपोर्ट इन दिल्ली where all the aeroplanes fly over the country and the different parts of the world. Delhi is the beautiful city. We have many interesting places over here. Let's see the important building. We have Qutub Minar, Jama Masjid, Red Fort. What are these? These are the important buildings that are situated in the Delhi. So we have Qutub Minar, tall tower, which was built by Qutubuddin Aibak. Then we have Jama Masjid, beautiful mosque, which is made up of red stone. And who built it? Shahjahan. Red Fort, every must have seen a huge fort, either in real or in television. This building is of red stone. Emperor Shahjahan built it. Flag of India. आप देखेंगे जो flag of India, all the time it is hosted over. Now, why is there is hot in summer and cold in winter? This answer you have to give. Now we'll meet in the next class. That's all for the today. Thank you for learning with me. Keep enjoying. Hope you understood each and everything. Now we will meet in the next class.